For thousands of years, humanity looked out at the universe and assumed what we saw was happening exactly right now. Aristotle believed light wasn't moving at all. He thought it was just an invisible presence, a state of being. You open your eyes and the world is simply there. In 1638, Galileo Galilei decided to test this. He placed two men on distant hilltops with shuttered lanterns. Man A opens his shutter. As soon as man B sees the light, he opens his. The experiment failed perfectly. The delay they recorded wasn't the speed of light, it was just human reaction time. Light was simply too fast for biological hardware to comprehend it. To catch it, we had to look away from the Earth and out into the void. Enter Ole Rømer in 1676. He wasn't studying light, he was studying a clock, especially Jupiter's moon Io, which eclipses behind Jupiter with rhythmic precision. But Rømer noticed a glitch. When Earth orbited away from Jupiter, Io's eclipses happened later than predicted. When Earth moved toward Jupiter, they happened early. It was a revelation. The delay wasn't in the moon's orbit. Rømer had trapped light in a mathematical cage. By the 19th century, scientists wanted to measure light down here on Earth. They didn't use planets. They used brute force engineering. Armand Fizeau fired beam of light through gaps of a rapidly spinning toothed wheel to a mirror 5 miles away. By spinning the wheel just fast enough, the returning light will smack into the next solid tooth instead of passing through the gap. By knowing the distance, the number of teeth, and the RPM of the wheel, he calculated a staggering 315,000 kilometers per second. But the most profound discovery didn't come from spinning mirrors. It came from pure theoretical physics, from a man named James Clerk Maxwell, who wasn't even trying to measure light. In the 1860s, Maxwell unified electricity and magnetism, found that changing electric and magnetic field could propagate through empty space as a self-sustaining wave. They were number measured using simple capacitors and coils in the lab. But when Maxwell plugged them into his equations, the result matched the speed of light perfectly. Light wasn't just a beam, it was an electromagnetic ripple in the fabric of reality. After years of researching, in 1983, during the 7th CGPM, the international scientific community legally logged the speed of light in a vacuum exactly at 29,97,92,458 meter per second. Before this length of meter was defined by physical objects, but after this, they flipped the relationship entirely. It was defined as the meter is the length of the path traveled by light in a vacuum during a time interval of 29 crore 97 lakh 92,458 of a second.